Hi guys, it's Thomas from COTbase.com. Welcome to our weekly COT review. Today we're going to check out the 17th report of this year. Again, for those of you who are new to COT or commitments of traders, check out our guide video to the weekly review, or you can check out the more detailed what is COT analysis video. Okay, as last time, we're going to start with changes in commercials positions. I'm not going to show you all the charts, but some of them. If you're interested in more markets, you can have a look at them at COTbase.com. Let's get started and check out the 5-year notes, where there was a 23% change in commercials positions, which is also very interesting. Small speculators became net long just recently, and if you open the 5-year chart, which I always recommend you to check out the longer time frame, sometimes the signals are more visible there. You can see that these signals from COT are pretty good signals, something to have a look at. Something else, the price is close to 124, which could be a good resistance there for those of you who are looking for short opportunities, maybe a good risk-reward trade. Okay, let's have a look at the British pound. There we go. Here the large speculators became net long, so something to be aware of. Let's have a look at the 5-year chart. Okay, it's pretty visible though that the small speculators are very optimistic, which could mean a little short signal over there. Who knows? You decide. Okay, moving on. Large speculators, COT extreme. We got the soybean meal on the top, all-time signal there. Let's have a look at the chart. Okay, got some pretty hectic parabolic move over there. Let's open the 5-year chart. Wow. Okay, so we're close to this top over here. Not far from this one. So for those dynamic traders who are interested in shorting this market, this could be a stop level. Who knows? But whoa, that's a pretty hectic move, and followed with a pretty large COT extreme picture. Okay, that's all for large speculators. We're going to look at the small speculator COT extreme this week, and open copper. Okay, where there was an all-time extreme situation, and here you can see that for the past 2 weeks, large speculators and commercials were going hand in hand, following each other, and only small speculators were taking the other side. So that's sort of a bullish signal over there. Let's have a look at the 5-year chart. Okay, you can see that we had some huge moves there in small speculators, even a larger one last week. This week it was a 17% change. So that was all for this week. But for those of you who are interested in a more detailed analysis and are interested in some other indicators, or maybe some other COT report types, CIT, TIF, or disaggregated, or want to see the futures and options analysis, then I strongly recommend you to check our subscription service at COTbase.com. So that's all for this week. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for your attention. See you next week. Take care.